Hello guys, this is Anastasia and I'm doing tour. We're still looking for houses to buy, and this is a house that we're gonna look at right now. And just to show you street, it's close to the main street, like this stop sign, it's a main street. And why I'm looking at it, because this house, second one right there, it's actually one of the rentals that I'm managing, and it's gonna be really convenient just to cross the street. This is really big lot that you need to cut the grass. Not sure what is here. Let's see. Ooh. Just a hole that's covered. I don't know why. So let's go inside. Were you able to go inside?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it nice?
Yeah.
It looks nice from outside. And it's gonna be nice for summer if you put a fence right there. Definitely windows need to be replaced. Wow. Why does it want so much money for it? We're in crisis. We're in Corona. So you enter to the kitchen, right? Which is cool. And then it's living room, shower, fancy one. Doesn't look like much work in here. This, probably they changed the roof. Did they change the roof from what you see? No? It's look really decent. Like yeah. It's look like it. It's look like it. Okay. And you can enter from here too, right?
Yes, that's
so it's gonna be entrance from living room. This room it's kind of lost. And this room, that's it, right? Okay, for rental perspective, I'm not interested in this house. Just a closet?
Yes.
Okay, this cut.
That's my basement?
That's it, right? Not even 2 bedrooms.
Yeah, we can do something. Because I don't see no furnace or hot water tank or anything.
Oh, you're looking for a basement?
Yeah.
Okay, we are not able to find the basement, it's fine. Okay, for me, this is kitchen, this is living room and 2 bedrooms. And 2 bedroom you can rent for about $800. And this house is for sale for $25. And it's for sale by a land bank.
They got something in the wall.
They have what?
Something in the wall. Animal.
Yeah, from a noise.
Yep.
Probably haunted. So I would cross out this house, and they want $25,000 for it. Investor pay, I believe, 15 for this one, and this one they want 25, and this is in a worse condition than the other one. So probably gonna see 10 houses and you make an offer on one. Thank you again guys for all your support. Let's go, what's going on?